Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding where the ads originate. This matters because home screen ads come from either the launcher, a widget, or a rogue app. Open Settings, go to Apps, and sort by recent installs. This reveals likely culprits. Once done, tap any unfamiliar app and choose Uninstall or Disable. Make sure to revoke notification privileges, as ads often use notifications. If the launcher itself shows ads, note its name so you can replace it next. This saves time and avoids unnecessary resets. Next, dig into app permissions and device admin settings, because adware often abuses overlays and admin rights. You should go to Settings, Notifications, and revoke notification access for the offending apps. Then go to Special App Access and disable display over other apps. Make sure to remove device admin privileges under Security before uninstalling, otherwise the app blocks removal. Also clear cache and storage for both the launcher and Google Play Store. That resolves cached ad pointers and prevents immediate reappearance. To finish, install a reputable launcher from Play Store and set it as default. This quickly replaces ad-laden launchers. Then open Google Settings, go to Ads, and opt out of personalized ads. Reset the advertising ID to cut tracking. If ads persist, reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps temporarily. Identify which app disappears with ads and uninstall it. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. If removal fails, use safe mode diagnostics to find the stubborn package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.